Welcome to another episode of Not for the Weak Minded. Now I decided before I clean my water distiller I would show you the things which it cleans. So all these chemicals are in the water. This is going into your body every time you drink tap water. Now you may think, oh, it's in there to help us. It's not. Fluoride is a very bad corrosive for the human body. You can look this up. I'm not lying to you. So I highly recommend, if you have, 50 quid, to get a water distiller and start purifying your water. Then squeezing lemon juice in it and getting some iodine and drinking that, and you will feel better if you purify yourself with pure water. Try not to eat any crap, sugar, any processed meats, and anything vegan particularly. And I feel really bad that I should have done a video about the vegan agenda a long time ago, and I still haven't done it, but it's something that really needs to be addressed, because everyone's going to get very sick, even more sicker than what they already are. Anyway, this is part of the problem. This is why you can't use your soul abilities and why you can't think properly, and why this is part of you being hypnotized by the television, because literally it's a drug being put into the water. It's not a good drug at all. So I'd highly recommend purifying your water. Please share, like and subscribe.